in search of the teams to qualify for the playoffs. Match number 28 of the Maharashtra Premier League. 4S Puneri Bappa taking on the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. Right then, the toss. Puneri Bappa won the toss and deciding to bowl first. We'll have a look at the playing 11s. So there we go, Puneri Bappa, led by Ruturaj Gaikwad, Yash Kshirshagar. There's Abhimanyu Jadhav, who played that fabulous inning as well. And look at the symbol next to Ruturaj Gaikwad. He might be the keeper as well today. Then, of course, there's Kshirshagar, Abhimanyu Jadhav, Rohan Damle, Suraj Shinde. For the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, the leader, Murtuza Trankwala, the Chandu Borde orange cap holder Om Bhosle. There's Onkar Khatpe, Digvijay Patil, Digvijay Jadhav. For all the Thala fans, for all the Chennai Super Kings fans, is that their next wicket keeper somewhere in the future? Is the openers, is Om Bhosle and the skipper, Murtuza Trankwala. Vivek Shelar start for the 4S Puneri Bappa. Just 3 wickets, economy of 10.5. He's been expensive. Let's play. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings taking on the 4S Puneri Bappa. And straight up, Ruturaj Gaikwad in action. The keeper today of the 4S Puneri Bappa. Here we go down the leg side again. Not a good start for Vivek Shelar. Oh yes, nicely swinging back in and gets the wicket. This time around, perfect radar for Vivek Shelar. Murtuza Trankwala, first ball, red duck.
Murtuza Trankwala gets out for naught. It's 8 for 1.
That's Onkar Khatpe, 260 runs for him. He's been the consistent run scorer.
Badhiya shot यहाँ पर. Outstanding shot, good timing.
Again driven, nicely driven. What a way to welcome Manni Paji in the commentary box as Om Bhosle logs 500 runs in MPL.
That's a beautiful shot.
That one inside out, will get a boundary. Again using his feet, up in the air, there's a fielder, yes! This time makes no mistake, Rohan Damle takes the catch. Important breakthrough. Yes, Om Bhosle walking off for 23. The pressure started telling on him. Digvijay Patil in the air and taking the pressure. The pot was boiling. Wicket was about to come. Soft dismissal. Scoring 21 of the 29 deliveries that he faced. CSK in a spot ball of 55 for 3. And another wicket. That extra bit of bounce, the debutant is having a fantastic night. Picks up his third, slightly tossed up in the air, extra bit of bounce, was looking Saurav Singh to play on the onside. Have a look at this. Dream debut. Saurav Singh departs for 3, 61 for 4.
2 Digvijays at the crease. Patil at the non-striking end. Jadhav will now take strike. And it looks like your commentary is on the PA system.
हवा में गेंद है और शॉट एक्स्ट्रा कवर में. ये आउट. अभिमन्यु जाधव ने एक कैच पकड़ लिया बढ़िया सीधा सा और दिग्विजय पाटिल पेवलिन में जाएंगे. ये 5वीं विकेट सीएसके की 81 पर.
Rajvardhan Hangargekar.
Did it very finely, looking for a boundary. Very poor fielding there.
Under the leadership of the young president, Mr. Rohit Dada Pawar, have proved to be extremely important. In the meanwhile, there goes another one of the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. This time, it's Rajvardhan Hangargekar. He was sent there to up the ante. The ball went straight up in the air, did not have the distance. Second wicket for Sachin Bhosle.
7 रन बनाए सिर्फ 91 पे 6.
Saurabh Singh has been substituted. In comes Harshal Kate. Sachin Bhosle continues. Again straight up in the air. Ruturaj says mine, and even without the gloves, he would have taken that with ease. So 2 out of 2 now for Sachin Bhosle on a hat-trick.
स्लोअर 1. पहले ही खेल लिया ये बॉल. हर्षल काटे, कोई रन बनाया नहीं. पहले में वापस 91 पे 7.
It's been a procession so far. On a hat trick, Sachin Bhosle. Nicely bowled. Oohs and ahs everywhere.
स्लोअर वन, हवा में गेंद है, बिल्कुल तीसरी विकेट इस ओवर की. स्लोअर वन थी और पॉइंट पे बेहतरीन कैच.
For the TV umpires. Yes, who's given it? Rightly so. And Sachin Bhosle. Shams Qazi dismissed without scoring a run. 91 for 8. Vivek Shelar to continue. Hitesh Walunj again goes straight up. Two fielders converging. Vivek Shelar calls, rightly so. Takes the catch. Hitesh Walunj again looking to just up the ante. Always was a difficult task. Second one for Vivek Shelar.
हितेश वालन 1 रन बना के वापस पेविलियन में.
In comes Pranay Singh at number 11. Yes, nicely connected this Pranay Singh.
बड़ा शॉट हवा में, गेंद है यहाँ पर, आउट हो सकते हैं. स्लोअर वन और बढ़िया कैच पकड़ा वहां पर रोहन दामले ने. राइट में जाके भागकर एक बेहतरीन कैच.
99 all out then, the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. What a performance by the home team. Ruturaj Gaikwad is all smiles. The wicket keeper today, that's what he's talking about. Let's go out there and finish it early. So 99 all out are the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. The target for the Forest Puneri Bappa in their 20 overs is going to be 100 runs. They don't have a chance to qualify, but still a victory is a victory, and they like to make sure that the home crowd is happy with their performance.
Shripad Nimbalkar, Ramakrishna Ghosh, Pranay Singh will be the one with the new ball. That one by his third man, 4. Hit that one nicely and we'll get a 6. It's time off the legs and the square leg fielder can't stop that.
Short delivery, timed it well over mid wicket.
Does it work anymore? But here he has picked up the wicket. There he pitched it up a little fuller.
And Shripad Nimbalkar was looking to move away and carve a boundary through the offside. Has to depart for 15. 39 for 1.
Yashir Sagar is the new batter.
What happens in a five over game? What happens in a 1 over game? Great effort out there. We'll get a 6. Ramakrishna Ghosh using that sort of pace.
बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश थी, हवा में गेंद है यहाँ पर और बढ़िया कैच. खाटपे ने बेहतरीन कैच पकड़ा. मैंने बात किया बड़ा शॉट मारना चाहिए और वही घोष आउट हो गए. एक स्लो इनिंग.
Nicely taken, the opener. Ramakrishna goes dismissed for 35 of 35, 64 for 2. Even comes Suraj Shinde. A healthy strike rate of 149, but just 109 runs so far this season. And at the Maharashtra Premier League, well, it's good to see that. And there we go, Suraj Shinde. Finally, after 29 balls, rocks on the back foot. The top performers at the Maharashtra Premier League. Looking for the reverse, connects well, boundary to Yashir Sagar to end the 14th over. Forest Puneri Bappa are 91 for 2. Are they looking to finish it in this over? Looking for the sweep, connects well. Fielder will not be able to cut that out. 4 runs.
4 runs.
Yes, comes down the track. Neat finish there. Over cow corner. Yashir Sagar finishing it in style. A convincing victory for the Forest Puneri Bappa. The home team, the home crowd is happy. Puneri Bappa win by 8 wickets. What a clinical performance for the home team.
Outstanding. What a finish with a 6. It's long gone. What a shot by Yashir Sagar. They went not out 29 of 24 balls for Puneri Bappa. What a shot. पूरा स्टेडियम में गया 15वें रो पर.
Yes, the leader, have a look at that. Ruturaj Gaikwad is trending right now everywhere across social media. Yes, he was the wicket keeper today. So all eyes for the Indian selectors, for the Chennai Super Kings fans as well, and the Forest Puneri Bappas as well. The keeper batter today did not get a chance to bat. He was letting others have an opportunity to go and score and shine. But Ruturaj Gaikwad, the star, the icon player of the Forest Puneri Bappa, and the Forest Puneri Bappa having no chances to qualify, but still playing for self-respect. And they've earned the respect today. What a win against the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. Target was 100 runs. They lost those 2 wickets, both the openers. Shripad Nimbalkar, 15 of 16. Ramakrishna Ghosh again promoted right on top. 35 of 35 for him. And then sensible batting by Yash Shirsagar and Suraj Shinde. No trouble at all. 29 of 24 for Yash. 18 of 13 for Suraj Shinde. 5 extras helping them. If you look at those partnerships, yes, consistent partnerships with the asking rate not being very high. The opening wicket partnership was there. 39 of 38 between Nimbalkar and Ghosh. For the second wicket, it was Shirsagar and Ghosh. 25 of 27, and then the unbeaten partnership of Yash Shirsagar, Suraj Shinde, 38 of 27. Talk of the bowling card, couple of bowlers who picked up wickets: Rajwardhan Hangarkekar and Shamsuzama Kazi. Rameshwar Dod got a chance today, was expensive, but with the target of 100 runs, it was always easy going for the Forest Puneri Bappa.